So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if the trackpad is not working on your system even after you have turned it on from the keyboard. Now, in order to fix that, simply first of all connect any of the mouse to your system, and once you connect the mouse, simply go to right click on the start menu, click on the device manager right there, and here let me just quickly open it, and here simply search for mice and pointer devices, select the file that appear here, hit on update driver, and just simply click on browse my computer for drivers, and hit on this option of let me pick a driver, and select the mouse driver right there, and hit next and install it, and give a restart to your laptop. It will definitely solve your problem. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.